Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Genspark Super AI Agent application. So first of all you need to install this app in your smartphone, then simply tap on the open button. So now you can see here this is the interface. So I'm just going to allow, and you can check it here, different style, and start using. So you can see it's like a other agent, like you can ask anything and you can choose the model here. So you can like use a slides you can create. So you have to sign up. First of all, you can sign up with your Google or other things. So I'm going to create my account with Google. You can try Microsoft or other Apple. So you can see it signing. So here you can see the things. So, okay, so now you can write anything. This is the simple things, like you can change your model. So you can see here they give you the everything in detail. So it's not like for casual chatting. You can see here. Okay, so now you can see customer support agent. If you tap here, so okay, it's different thing. Yeah, meeting notes, yeah, slides, yeah, docs, yeah, chat, yeah, image generations, photogenius, yeah, agent, all agent. If you click here, then you see all the agent here. You can generate, you can research, you can change uh, design or many things. So you can see here, if you type here the settings option, and this is the hub for Genspark. Let me check it. What? Okay, it's not going to happen me. So it's a profile. Okay, so if you click at settings, you can see different things. So you can try like chat. You can chat here, AI chat, and it will be the model also here. So you can see here this is AI chat. So if you click here, you can choose different model, and you can write anything. You can search OEP if you want. All the customization at your hand, and you can see you can talk here with people, and so it's a nice app, you can try.